Hey guys, today I have an awesome tutorial for you, like a game-changing, business-shifting tutorial for you that is gonna blow your mind and blow all your audience's minds when they watch your videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to add GIFs, like these little guys right here, all the GIFs around me, to your videos. And it's not as hard as you think it is. I am gonna show you how to do this on Adobe Premiere Pro, but most editing softwares will be able to do this thing that I'm gonna show you how to do. So if you have Adobe Premiere Pro, awesome. If you have something else, you might have to do a little bit of research to figure out exactly how to execute this. But once you do, it's gonna make your life so much more fun and your videos are just gonna pop. So are you ready to join me? Let's get started. So to get started, you have to have Instagram. So open up your Instagram app and I'm gonna show you how to get started with adding GIFs from Instagram to your videos on YouTube, Facebook, wherever, all right? So we'll hop on over to Instagram. Here we are in our Instagram app. And to get started, what we're going to do is open our story. So if you click in the top left corner, that little camera icon, that is your story. And look, there I am. Hi. All you're going to do is just take a quick photo. It can literally be of anything. And then in the top right corner, you have this pen icon. Click the pen icon and select the green color down here at the bottom. Now you're going to just tap your finger and hold it right in the middle of the screen and it will turn your entire screen green. Now you have a green screen and you can do so many cool things with green screen. So click done. Now we're going to add a GIF. So you're gonna just swipe up and then select GIF right here and you can literally add anything. So just gonna scroll down and see these are some of the most recent ones, but you can also search if you wanted to search for a specific GIF. So I'm gonna click this. I love link in bio. Those are always fun. And what I'm gonna do, rather than adding it to my story, because I don't want anybody to see this, I'm gonna click save in the bottom left corner right here. Click save. And you can do that with as many as you want. I'm going to just take this and drag it, and you can just drag it and delete it. Now you swipe up and you add another GIF. Let's do these for like Valentine's Day. I'm gonna just put it right there in the middle. What does it say? You, heart you, and then just click save again, and that is gonna save the GIF to my photos. Now I wanna show you real quick if the GIF has something green in it. For example, like the strawberry. Let's click this strawberry. I really like that one. That's super fun. But you can see there is the green. It kind of matches the background. You have green in your GIF. So instead of doing a green background, we're going to go back up here to the pen icon and we're going to do a color that is not in this one. So purple, just hold it down and there you go. Now you have a purple one, a purple background. Click done and click save. So we've just saved a couple GIFs right here. And in order to send them to my computer, there's a couple different ways you can do this. So we're going to click out of here. We're going to go back to our home screen and we're going to click in our photos. Now, as you can see, these are right here as like video files, short video files right in my photos. So we're going to click select in the top right corner. We're going to select the 3 GIFs that we just made, the green screen GIFs, and you're going to click the bottom left corner where there is a box with an arrow pointing up, and we're going to airdrop them. We're going to airdrop them right to my Mac. You can also email them to yourself, or you can put them in your Google Drive. So up here, we're going to accept our GIFs, save it to downloads, And then right there, it will download into our computer. Now, what I like to do is put them into a folder. I put all my GIFs right into a folder on my computer. So we're just gonna drag and drop each one right into there. And now we're going to go over to our project in Premiere Pro. In our project, you click Import, File, Import, and find where you put your GIFs right into this folder. These are the 3 new ones. I'm just going to Shift Select all of those and import them. So now they are imported. If I double click, they're imported right into my Premiere Pro project. So let's say I want to put them on my video. All you have to do is take it from your project folder over here, and you're going to drag it and drop it wherever you want into your timeline. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit so that we can actually see it. Now it drops in just like you would expect it to. It is formatted for your phone, so it's a vertical format GIF, and when you push play,
having the occasional glass of wine,
it dances like a GIF. All right, so in order to delete the green from this video, all we have to do is go over to Effects right here, and we're going to find the key. So we want to key out the green. So you click keying right here, open that, and I use the Ultra key. So you can either, if you have this clip selected, you can double click the Ultra key and that will automatically add it, or you can drag and drop the Ultra key right over onto your file. But I double clicked it and it should automatically be here under Effect Controls, which it is. So the next thing you want to do is key out the green color by selecting this eyedropper. Come on over here, click that color, and all of a sudden it deletes all of that green. Now you have a fancy little GIF that you can expand, you can move around, you can rotate it, and when you play it, let's push play and watch it pop up.
And we also liked having the occasional glass of wine.
How fun is that? So you would do the same exact thing for any of the other GIFs. I'm going to take this one because it's a little different. So this is the purple one because there is green in it, and if you were to key out the green color, that green on top of the strawberry wouldn't show up. So again, we just drop it right into our timeline. We go over to our effects, double click the Ultra key, and then click Effect Controls. We select the eyedropper, come on over here and click it, and there you go. We have eyedropped out all the purple, and now we've got a crazy strawberry that we get to put onto our video. Now I can take this and put it right over top of this one so that they'll play at the exact same time, and you click play, and it just makes your videos so much fun. All right, how did you like that? Do you think you're gonna try this in your videos? Now keep in mind this is for Premiere Pro, but there is an option as well to key out color in Final Cut and other editing programs. So figure out how to key out color in your editing program and you'll be able to do this as well.